So you can basically just type in one word in this box, click save, click make, and you'll be paid $24 to $30. You can do it again and again and make money every single day from anywhere in the world, but you must set this up properly, and I'll explain to you exactly how to do it in this video. Signing up to this website is absolutely free, and you don't need to invest any money up front, and you don't need any super writing skills. I mean, you can even just copy and paste that one word if you don't want to type it yourself. So before I show you exactly how this works, don't forget to drop a like in this video, leave a thumbs up if you love making money online videos, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel with the notifications on, and I'll notify you whenever I have a new strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use this, and that way, of course, you can make the most money. Okay, so this is the main platform which we'll be using. This is the website where you will come and create simple videos with one single word. So this website will create a professional high quality video for you, and I'm going to show you how you can actually get paid $25 to $30 per video that you create. As you can see, the easiest way to make awesome videos, and don't worry, you don't need to be a professional editor to do this, you don't need any editing skills for this, you don't need a camera, you will not have to film anything, and you will not have to show your face. You just need to type in one single word, and you can repeat it again and again, and I'll show you exactly how it works and how to get paid. So choose your favorite video template, fully customized online, and watch them generate your video instantly, so you don't have to wait around, which means you can start making money today. It can't get any easier than this. It's just one single word, and you can repeat it all over again. Now, this is the site we will be using. This website is platform, this tool, and later, within a second, I will give the link to you. But for now, don't go straight to the website because you will not know how to use it properly to actually make money just by typing one single word. So rather than that, follow each and every step from this video, and by the end of it, you'll know exactly what to do and how to make money. So first of all, let's come over to this website. I want you to click on the Get Started button right here so you can sign up. You can do so by either connecting your Facebook or Google account, which is a lot easier and faster because it requires just one click of a button. But if you don't want to do so, you can just sign up with your email address manually and enter your details. Now, I also recommend you to uncheck this box if you don't want to subscribe to their email list, which can sometimes be really boring, so I oftentimes don't really like to subscribe to those types of newsletters, so I would uncheck this box. After that, you can easily sign up in less than 60 seconds. Once you sign up onto the website we'll be using, it's going to allow you to browse all of these different templates which you can use to create professional looking videos in less than 60 seconds just by entering one single word. So here on the left hand side, you can see that you can generate all of these types of videos in all different categories. You can create ads, animated videos, you can create videos for businesses, e-commerce videos, Facebook videos, food and restaurant videos, gaming, infographics, videos for Instagram, YouTube, intros and outros, and so on and so forth. And you have all of these different templates which you can browse, and they are highly professional. They're 3D high quality templates which you can easily use, and I'll explain exactly how. Now, there is one specific service which we'll be focusing on, and that's gonna allow you to make $25 to $30 for a single word you type. So what I want to do is I want to focus on either intro or outros. So forget about all these different categories. For now, we want to focus on intros and outros because that's the easiest one, and that's the one that will allow you to make $30 or more for a single word. So let's select intro templates, and it's gonna give you some of them which you can use. Let's browse and let's find something that's really interesting. I will, for example, use this one just to show you how this actually works. So I will click on it, and to customize it, I just need to click on Edit this video. So now, once we come over to this page, all I have to do is click on this box, and I can type that one word on this box, and I'll show you what the word is gonna be. But let's say the word in this case, it's cash flow. I can just type in cash flow, click save and exit, and that's it. Now, they will instantly generate that video for me, and I'm gonna show you how you can sell those types of videos for $25 to $30 again and again, and I'm also gonna show you proof that it actually works because people are already making money every single day with the same strategy. So here we are in the dashboard. You'll be able to see that my videos already rendered and waiting for me to download. As you saw, that took only one single word if you type in the box, and now I have a high quality intro from which I can make money off of. So let's repeat that same process. Once again, you go over to templates, you go either to intros or outros. Let's go to intros first. You'll find some templates which you really like. Let's say for example, you want to use this one or this. Let's try out this one, I really like it. So you just open it up, you click edit this video, that takes you to the editing page. You can even add a logo if you want to. If not, just go straight to the text page, click on the text box, type in that one single word, click save, click make video, and that's it. That's all you have to do. And now you can make money from an additional platform which I'm about to share with you. So the link of that first tool we're using was called motionden.com. You can just come over here to motionden.com. So first of all, you can start using quickengigs.com. This is a really similar platform to Fiverr, and if you don't know already, Quicken Gigs is a freelancing website where millions of everyday people come to sell their services every day. You have everyday people like me and you providing different services for other entrepreneurs and business owners. You can see that they've partnered up with some massive companies like PayPal, Microsoft, Google, Discord, Facebook, and Unity. And this is only one of the many different freelancing websites which you can use, but the reason I'm sharing Quicken Gigs rather than Fiverr is because this is not a competitive website like Fiverr. In Fiverr, you have hundreds or thousands of people waiting for one and same service, but on here, there are not that many people providing those services, but demand is pretty high. There's a lot of buyers, but there are not many sellers, which means it's perfect for complete beginners. It means you can instantly join this website and potentially get a load of sales without being an established seller. And if you search for intro and outros on this website, you'll be able to see that people are providing these types of services. There are not many people who provide this service, but the ones that are providing this service, intros and outros, are already making money. As you can see, cool 3D YouTube intro for $30, and he got over 5 sales. He has 5 feedbacks, and you know that not every single person is gonna leave a feedback, so he probably got more than 5 sales at a price of $30. And for you, that's gonna take you just one single word to type in with MotionDen, and you can sell it in Quicken Gigs. For example, this person is selling their service for $25. They got 1 feedback. This person is selling it for $50. This one for $11, and so on and so forth. And once again, this is only one single platform where you can provide this service and sell intros and outros. You can also use websites like People Per Hour. In here, if you type in intro, you'll be able to see more people providing this service, 194 to be precise, and they're all making sales. They're all making hundreds if not thousands of sales. For example, this person over here got over 1,000 feedbacks, which means they've got over 1,000 sales for this intro service. You can even use Fiverr if you want to maximize your results. I mean, it costs you nothing to publish that gig, and if you get some sales, great. If not, it's okay, you can still use other freelancing websites. So Fiverr does have massive potential. You can see that people are selling those types of services for more money, like $35 and $45. It's starting at $45, so they have even higher packages, and they're getting hundreds, in some cases thousands of sales, so it does have massive potential. The problem is, the competition is really high in Fiverr, so I definitely recommend you try all the different freelancing websites. Don't focus on just one. And once you get a sale, it takes you only one word to type in this box, which they will give you which words they want to put inside of this box. You click save and exit, and you directly go to dashboard. You wait until that loads, and as you can see, you'll be able to download it to your computer. Now, to download it without these watermarks, you would need to pay like around $14. So it's $14 per video, but if you sell it for $35 and $40, you're still in high profits, and you don't have to invest any money up front. You can wait until you get a sale on those freelancing websites, and then use that money to pay $14 to MotionDen. So for $14, you get a video down. It takes less than 60 seconds to make over $30, and you can do it again and again. And once you start making more and more sales, and you see that you're already making some decent amount on monthly income, you can just invest like $29 a month for this unlimited plan, which will allow you to sell unlimited amounts of videos. So you can maybe sell 100 videos a month and only pay $29 for MotionDent to do all the hard work for you. So you can definitely leverage MotionDent and its templates to make professional videos just by typing one single word in the box and then provide that service, and from other freelancing websites like freelancer.com, truelancer.com, fiverr.com, guru.com, peopleperhour.com, quickandgigs.com, and so on and so forth. And that is it for today. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.